Welcome to English for Kids Academy.
Hello, my name is Emma.
Hi Emma, I am Sophia.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you new here?
Yes, today is my first day.
Welcome to our class.
Thank you so much.
Do you like this school?
Yes, it looks very nice.
The teachers are friendly.
That sounds great.
Where do you sit?
I sit near the window.
That is a nice seat.
Yes, I like it.
Can I sit with you?
Sure, of course.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
I like English too.
It is fun to learn.
We can study together.
Good idea.
Do you have your books?
Yes, I have all my books.
Great. You are ready?
I am excited for class.
Me too.
Let's learn together.
Who is our teacher?
Our teacher is Mrs. Anna.
Is she kind?
Yes, she is very kind.
That is nice.
Everyone likes her.
What time does class start?
Class starts at 9 a.m.
We are early today.
Yes, that is good.
I don't like being late.
Me neither.
Do you have a pencil?
Yes, I have 2 pencils.
Can I borrow one?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
What color is your bag?
My bag is pink.
Wow, very pretty.
Thank you.
I like pink too.
It is my favorite color.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, I love drawing.
I draw flowers.
I draw animals.
That sounds fun.
Yes, it is.
Let's open our books.
Okay, page number 10.
I found it.
Me too.
Ready to study?
Yes, ready?
The classroom is clean.
Yes, it is very tidy.
I like this room.
Me too.
It feels comfortable.
Yes, very nice.
Do you eat lunch here?
Yes, in the cafeteria.
What do you eat?
I eat sandwiches.
Sounds yummy.
It is delicious.
Do you play during break?
Yes, I play outside.
What games do you play?
I play tag.
That is fun.
Yes, very fun.
Can you read English well?
A little bit.
Practice every day.
Yes, I will.
You will improve fast.
Thank you.
What is your favorite fruit?
I like apples.
I like mangoes.
Mangoes are sweet.
Yes, very sweet.
I like them too.
The bell is ringing.
Class is starting now.
Sit down quickly.
Okay, I'm ready.
Be quiet now.
Sure.
The teacher is here.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning.
Let's listen carefully.
Yes, let's focus.
Okay,
Do you like homework?
not really,
Me too.
but homework helps us.
Yes, that is true.
We should do it.
Can you spell cat?
C-A-T, cat.
Very good.
Thank you.
You are smart.
Thanks.
Let's practice speaking.
Okay, I am ready.
English is important.
Yes, very important.
Practice makes perfect.
I agree.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
I like Mondays
Really? Why?
because school is fun.
Nice answer.
It is almost home time.
Time goes fast.
Yes, very fast.
I enjoyed today.
Me too.
It was fun.
Will you come tomorrow?
Yes, of course.
Great. See you then.
See you tomorrow.
Bye for now.
Bye.